Okay, so Tesla stock is still correcting, trading sideways, a classic congestion. However, there are some signs indicating that this congestion won't last long from here and Tesla is about to trigger the next big move. Tesla stock has finally reached its turning point and we'll see why in this video. Let's study some scenarios and prepare ourselves for what's next for Tesla stock. My name is Nathan and you are welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. Let's start our TA on Tesla stock. First, yes, it is in a congestion. Tesla looks weak. However, if we compare Tesla against other stocks or even the indices, Tesla is quite resilient. I mean, we are going up, we went up from $100 to $200 and we are not dropping. We are correcting, yes, but this is a sideways correction. It is not a price correction. We are not actually dropping. We are still above key support levels and the 21 exponential moving average as well. Let's take a look at the S&P index. The S&P did a lower high, lower low. It lost the 21 EMA. The Nasdaq index did a similar pattern. Apple, well, lower high, lower low, below the 21 EMA. Microsoft, below the 21 EMA. Google, Google is just crashing a lot. Amazon is crashing a lot, below the EMA as well. Berkshire Hathaway, well, Berkshire Hathaway, it is in a congestion since November. So Tesla is clearly bullish over here since January and right now we are correcting. So Tesla is the strongest stock. I'm so sorry, it is the second strongest mega cap company, losing only to Nvidia. Of course, Nvidia is a true monster, but Tesla is particularly strong as well, looking very good. And you know what's very interesting right now? Well, if we analyze the indices again, the S&P crashed and right now we found a support level over here and we are trying to react. We are trying to do a hammer candlestick pattern. The Nasdaq index is trying to stabilize above a clear support level as well. If the indices react in this area, again, there is no bullish sign, there is no bullish evidence on the indices yet, but if they do react from here, probably Tesla is going to trigger a quite interesting bullish pattern over here near the 21 exponential moving average, and this could be the beginning of the next big movement on Tesla. Of course, this is going to be an upwards movement. Tesla could easily break the 214 and seek the next resistance level at 237. If we take a look at some indicators, we see that Tesla right now is not overbought at this level. The RSI is at 56 right now at this moment. So the argument that Tesla is overbought is not valid technically speaking. Okay, we went up from $100 to $200. And this is not a real argument. Tesla went up more than 100% many times in the past, and that wasn't enough to trigger a bearish reversal structure or to trigger a sharper pullback on Tesla. Going up from 100 to 200 is not a valid argument. It is just there is a bias, call it anchoring bias, right? So it feels like 100% is a very huge number. So, okay, it looks like it is overbought, but right now the RSI is at 56. So, okay, the momentum, if Tesla triggers another bullish structure, it could easily seek our next resistance level in the next few weeks, in the next few months. In addition, the on-balance volume is clearly divergent. We see an advanced breakout over here on the OBV. OBV is pure volume, indicating that investors are buying Tesla in this situation. You may say, oh, but it is the retail traders are buying Tesla. It is the dumb money, right? We can't take this too seriously. Well, I don't know. If you have the actual source, the data proving that only retail traders are buying this situation, then okay, I will believe in you. And even in this scenario, it doesn't mean too much because technically speaking, we are still doing an advanced breakout in this area. What's more, the accumulation distribution index is also triggering an advanced breakout in this situation right now. So Tesla is correcting, okay? It lost its incredible bullish momentum over here. Right now, it feels like we are resting. The RSI is at reasonable levels right now. We see advanced breakouts on the OBV and on the accumulation distribution indices right now at this moment. All of this indicates to me that Tesla is about to trigger an upwards breakout. This is my bullish thesis on Tesla, and honestly, I favor a bullish thesis right now, especially because the momentum is bullish. Although we lost strength, the momentum is still bullish, the bias is still bullish, Tesla is still above its key support levels and it is still above its 21 EMA. So since the bias is still bullish, well, an upwards breakout is the ideal scenario to me. Oh, Nathan, you are not considering a bearish scenario at all. Of course I am. Of course I am. I must prepare myself to every single possible scenario on this. However, as long as Tesla remains above this triple support level over here, I can't take any bearish thesis over here too seriously. So right now, as far as I know, as far as I am concerned, the situation is still clearly bullish. If Tesla loses its critical support levels, then okay, it is going to turn bearish. Maybe Tesla is going to fill this gap over here at 147, 146 down here, and this is it. I will be totally bearish, but right now, Tesla is just a bull. There is no, I don't see any technical evidence other than a possible, not triggered yet, a possible double top chart pattern indicating that Tesla could, if it loses, if it triggers this pattern, indicating that, okay, we might seek lower levels. But as long as Tesla remains above this support level, this pattern is not going to be triggered and Tesla will just remain bullish. Remember, trading is reactive, not predictive. I don't know if Tesla is going to trigger this double top chart pattern and I couldn't care less. If it triggers, okay, probably Tesla is going to correct. Right now, as far as I know, Tesla is just bullish. This is how pros behave in this market. And of course, if you want to trade with me, check my website, my new website. The link is in the description of this video. Look at this website. It is beautiful. It is just beautiful. New service to you guys. If you like options, subscribe to the Anti-Fragile newsletter. This service focuses on trading Tesla and SPY options. So if you want to trade options with me, check the Anti-Fragile newsletter, check the Hydra trading, check the market dive. You guys are not gonna be disappointed. Public track record, my dear friends, public track record. Check my website. The link is in the description of this video. This website is so cool right now. I have to say this. Congratulations to my team. Now, what if Tesla actually loses this triple support level? As I told you guys, in this scenario, we're gonna trigger a double top chart pattern. And in my humble opinion, as a retail trader, I think we are going to fill this gap. That's the next technical target, clear technical target on Tesla if we actually lose this triple support area. As far as we remain above this support level, a bullish thesis is not only more likely, but it is more desirable in this situation because the risk-reward ratio is more attractive. Now, in the weekly chart, it is quite interesting to mention that we are finding a resistance at the 50%, Fibonacci's retracement. And the 50% is around 210, while the next resistance level on Tesla is around 214. So here we see our ceiling, our resistance area around 210, 214. If we break this 50% retracement, the next technical target is the 61.8% retracement, which is at 234, which is quite close to our target at 237 over here. So everything on these charts are speaking the same language. The next technical explosion is going to take us to 237. If we're gonna break 237, I don't know. Again, I don't know. I don't need to know. I couldn't care less for this. But this is the next technical target on Tesla. If we break the 38.2% retracement, then okay, I believe Tesla is going to turn bearish. I believe this is a crystal clear top sign in the weekly chart, and Tesla is going to correct. It is not only going to correct, but probably it is going to crash to much lower price levels. Of course, I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on this channel. So if you're still not my subscriber and you are still here for almost nearly 10 minutes right now watching this random Brazilian guy talking about Tesla, you liked the content. Seriously, you liked the content, so why not subscribe? Click on the like button to support me. I really appreciate your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. See you guys next week. Bye bye.